Hello friends, I'm back. This time I brought you some idioms which have the word egg in it. But before I start, I want to tell you something. Idioms cannot be learnt up by heart. So this video is only meaningful if you just listen to it probably every day for a week or every alternate day, and then let it be part of your subconscious mind. And before you know it, whenever you need one, it will be popping up in your head without you even realizing it. Once when I was watching a cricket match, I saw Navjot Singh Sidhu. He actually has a diary full of them, and he forces them into his commentary to the extent that his commentary sounds weird. So don't force idioms where they are not applicable. Now, like I said, that idioms will become part of your vocabulary and they'll be part of your subconscious mind. And you don't need to really think of one. They'll just pop up on their own. To egg someone on, to encourage someone to do something usually not something very good. They have been egging him on to try and use unfair means in the exams, but he has not relented. To put all your eggs in one basket means to take an undue risk by putting everything into one venture. You have this bad habit of putting all your eggs in one basket. You must always have a plan B if you hope to succeed in something. And if someone calls you an egghead, take it as a compliment. It means that he's saying that you are quite intelligent. Another interesting one is you can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. It means that there often is collateral damage or something you have to give up in order to achieve something else. Don't think you can party all the way to the board exams. You have to give up something if you want to do well. You can't possibly make an omelette without breaking the egg. If you found this video enriching, please do write something in the comments because your feedback will help me to make better videos next time.